In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to roto with motion tracking in Nuke. We'll start by bringing your clip into the script. Use a read node and point it to your footage. This creates a clean, single source for everything that follows, and it keeps your project organized. Once your read node is in the viewer, you're ready to generate motion data. Add a tracker node by pressing tab and typing tracker, then connect your read node to it. With the footage flowing into the tracker, place your tracking points. Choose small, high-contrast features that stay visible over time. Sharp corners, textured edges, or defined details on your subject work best. Avoid areas that go out of frame, are heavily motion blurred, or change appearance dramatically. Set a solid reference frame where your features are clearest, and if needed, adjust the pattern and search regions so the tracker has a good window to follow. Run the track forward and backward to generate motion data. Keep an eye on the markers as they move. If a point slips or latches onto the wrong detail, stop, reposition the box, and continue. Accurate tracks here will save you a lot of cleanup later. Next, add a roto node by pressing tab and choosing roto, then draw your mask around the subject. Use as few points as needed to describe the shape cleanly. Fewer points make it easier to animate. Bezier or B-spline tools both work. Pick what you're comfortable with. Start at your reference frame so your shape lines up with the tracking data you captured. Now connect the tracker's motion to the roto. You can do this by feeding the tracker into a transform node and placing that before the roto, or by linking the roto's transform knobs directly to the tracker's data. Either way, the goal is for the roto shape to follow the motion automatically, reducing the amount of manual keyframing you need to do. Preview the result in the viewer and scrub the timeline. Your mask should stick to the subject's movement driven by the tracker. Look for any drifting, edge pops, or moments where the track struggles. Finally, refine manually where needed. On tricky frames like fast motion, occlusions, or perspective shifts, adjust your roto points and set keyframes sparingly only where changes occur. Consider softening the edge slightly for a natural blend and checking problem areas at full resolution. With a solid track and thoughtful roto adjustments, you'll get a clean, consistent mask that holds up throughout the shot.